Home gardens are typically the most intensive form of horticulture on the planet. Our expectations of what our gardens are going to do for us are completely unrealistic. We grow plants way too close. We expect lots of flower, lots of fruit, lots of veg, and we expect it to happen year in, year out. Now, of course, when the plants have taken up all the goodness in the soil, if you're not replacing it, well, unfortunately, your plants are going to be a bit disappointing year 2, year 3, year 4, and so on. They're just going to get worse and worse because there's no nutrient there. You have to replace it. If you're in a commercial environment, that would be done with synthetic fertilisers. But most of us want to garden organically. The trouble is, organic fertilisers haven't always been that effective. That was until just recently. Organic gardening relies on Mother Nature's natural processes of decay of organic matter. This improves the soil's carbon content or organic matter base through a natural beneficial microbe action that turns that organic mineral content into plant-available nutrients. To that extent, it's been very difficult to create an organic-based fertiliser that delivered the nutritional results that a domestic garden demands. The results haven't always been great, but a body of work undertaken in the Scott's Garden Care Research Facility has really changed everything. Jen Bailey is the Director of Research and Development.
Developing organic products can be particularly difficult, mainly because of the range of raw materials that we have to work with can be limited. So this facility really helps us to trial and test a range of different raw materials, make sure that we get the right nutrient balance, the right balance of soil improvers, plant nutrients, so that we can get lush, healthy growth from organic fertilisers.
There's a lot of science being carried out here, and the results allowed the research team the ability to use evidence-based results to determine a new generation of organic products that deliver outstanding performance in a garden situation. There's a lot of confusion over the definition of organic, what it really means, and then how is that actually managed?
We look for materials that we know we can get certified organic, so they need to come from a natural or organic source. Usually that is unprocessed, unrefined, hasn't gone through any chemical processing. And then we develop those formulations, get mixtures that we're happy with. We will go to trial with those, see what sort of results that we get. And then once we're happy with our final formulation, then it actually goes through an accreditation process. So the formulation goes through Australian Certified Organic, who look at it, make sure that it is organic, and then we get the certification.
This is a significant step forward, and I wanted to show you the science being done to ensure that we're getting real organic plant foods that actually deliver results in soil and plant health. Scott's have taken the eco-friendly sustainability angle one step further by addressing the age-old packaging problem of the past.
As we know, there is a lot of plastic in packaging in the gardening space. So it's been very important for us to focus on more environmentally friendly options. So that's why we've developed these pouch options, pre-diluted, ready to go.
And then concentrate, which gives you the ability to water that down and apply, what, via watering can?
Yeah, via watering can or a sprayer. Has more coverage because it's concentrate. We'll go a lot further. And these packs, they're great because it's 65% less plastic than you would be consuming if you were buying it in a bottle.